maintaining professional boundaries. I say this because we've had projects that are either exciting or boring. If it is too exciting, what happens sometimes is you find yourself going beyond the project scope. And when it is boring is when you experience things like repetitive revision. For instance, while you are reviewing the design, it could take countless revisions. Oftentimes, this is just outside the design scope you have provided. And that's why it's very, very important that you establish that boundary. And that can only be done if it's included in your documentation. And then it has to be clear with your response times, when you are available, when you respond to calls. My thing you also need to think about is not all projects go smoothly. Sometimes there could be conflict. So you need to think through a conflict resolution framework. And the funny thing is, some of these conflict resolution frameworks are embedded in some of the things I had mentioned. You can always find use for those tips. Most importantly, you must have emotional intelligence.